Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my video lectures on signals and systems. And in the last class, I explained what is an even function and odd function. Now I will work out few problems on even and odd functions. Before I solve these problems, we have to do a small derivation. So I will concentrate to these problems on the board. Find the even and odd components of the following signals. Okay, you will be given a signal and it will be a mixture of even functions and odd functions. You are supposed to separate them. X of t equal to cos t plus sin t cos t. Second problem, cos t equal to 1 plus t cube cos cube 10t. So procedure. So small derivation. First, as you know that any expression will have some even function parts and odd function parts. You write it as xe of t and x naught of t. Call this as equation number 1. So replace t by minus t in equation 1. X of minus t is equal to xe of minus t plus x naught of minus t. Now, we apply the definition of even function and odd function. X of minus t equal to xe of minus t is same as xe of t plus x naught of minus t is minus of x naught of t. Minus x naught of t. Call this as equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. On adding 1 and 2 equations, we get these two terms get cancelled. We get xe of t equal to x of t because here xe of t 2 xe of t plus x of t plus x of minus t. Therefore, xe of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. This is a useful expression. Xe of t, remember, x of t plus x of minus t by 2. This is how we find xe of t. Now next, subtract 2 from 1. We get now here I will write here xe of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Next, subtract 2 from 1. We get, now the xe get cancelled. We get x naught of t. Similarly, we get x naught of t is equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. Try to remember in a scientific manner. So here xe of t. So here plus, this is minus. That's all. The other terms remains same. This is, now I will work out any one problem. Okay. The other one you have to attend. Now, in this problem, second problem I will take. You work out first problem. Take x of t. Second problem. Write, replace t by minus t. We get, replace t by minus t. We get 1 plus minus t whole cube into cos cube 10 minus t. Next, it is same as 1 plus minus t whole cube cos 10 minus t whole cube. We know that 1 plus 1 minus, and here this is 1 minus t cube into cos of minus theta is cos theta, and this amounts to cos cube 10t, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos cube 10t. This is x of minus t. Now, just now we have done a derivation, and even parts is given by xc of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. We get here x of t 1 plus t cube cos cube 10t, next plus x of minus t 1 minus t cube cos cube 10t divided by 2. Simplify. On simplifying, now these two terms get cancelled. These two terms get cancelled. We get 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2, not 2. Here this cos cube 10t is also associated with 1. Only the term t cube cos cube 10t cancels with this. Therefore, cos cube 10t, next plus cos cube 10t divided by, that is 2 cos cube 10t by 2. That is simply cos cube 10t. This is what is called as even part. So even part is given by, now in this expression it is cos cube 10t plus t cube cos cube 10t. Now cos cube 10t is what is called as even part. Now odd part. For getting odd part, xo of t now here I will write even part is cos cube 10t. Now odd part, for getting odd part, x naught of t is equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So here we get, now next, now simplifying, cos cube half cos cube 10t plus t cube cos cube 10t minus cos cube 10t plus t cube cos cube 10t. Then these two terms get cancelled. We get 2 t cube cos cube 10t divided by 2. That is t cube cos cube 10t. This is what is called as odd part. So xc of t is equal to cos cube 10t, and the remaining one is t cube cos cube 10t. So this is what is called as odd part. This is even part, this is odd part. In the next class, I will explain what is mirror image. What is mirror image? I will explain in the next class. Thank you.